Okay, moving toward the in operator. The in operator is used to specify multiple values in a where clause. This is the syntax for the in operator. Whenever we have multiple values from a single column, then we can use the in operator and we can specify those value with a where clause. Let's understand the in operator. So we can see that we have this table, and from this table we have ft number column, and from this column we want to extract only these values. So this way we can utilize the in operator. So I'll write down select asterisk from table name where fte in, and here we can specify the values 1, 2, okay. So we have this ft column, and from this column we want to extract this value. So we are using in operator. So it will extract only those records where the number matches these values. So I will select my statement and click on the execute button. And we can see that we have the data set where the rows having these values only. So this is how we can use the in operator. Okay, we have just discussed that if we want the data set where the ft number is this, then we will have to use the in operator. What if we want the reverse of that? Means I want to extract the data from this table where I don't want these values, except these values I want everything. For that purpose, we will use not in operator. Let's see how we can see. So I will select the same query, and instead of in, I'll use not in. So if we are saying that we want to extract the data where ft number in this, so it will give us the data where the number matches these value. Instead I'm using not in, then we will have the data where the data will exclude these values. So I'll select this statement and click on the execute button, and now we can see that we have everything excluding these values. So these are the two ways we can include and exclude the values. This statement will include only these values. This statement will give us the data that will exclude these values. Okay, coming to the between operator. Between operator is used when we want to retrieve the data within a specific range. For example, we want to retrieve rows from this table where date is between 2023-0101 and 230215. So we will use the select statement, and in the where clause we will use between operator. So we have specified the condition that my date should be between these two dates. So I'll select this statement and click on the execute button, and we can see that the data we have contains the data within this range only. Just to make it more clear, we can apply the order by clause. Order by date, yes. Now select the statement and click on the execute button. So we can see that we have the data between this range only. So this is how we can use the between operator.